It's John again. Let me tell you, if you have not tried the Pampered Chef Mix and Masher, you're going to find this is the tool you never knew you needed. Whether you're making mashed, creamy mashed potatoes or the perfect guacamole from your avocados, this is the masher that's going to get it done for you. It's going to get it done for you right every time. I love it because it's got this flexible head. It's nylon, so when I'm mashing down, it gives me the proper angle that I need. You can put a lot of pressure on it if I need to, depending on the avocados or the potatoes that I'm mashing. It's actually heat resistant, so it will go up to 428 degrees in the oven, but also it's soft and the nylon material will not scratch my skillets or my pots. So like I said, it feels great in your hand, put a lot of pressure behind it. It's gonna mash for a long time if I need to. It's lightweight. It's dishwasher safe, so a lot of times I'll put it in the dishwasher, or you can just use soapy water and wash it down. This thing is versatile. It is a powerhouse tool. I love it. It makes my guacamole easy, fast to eat, fast to make, and then fast to eat. I love it. It is a must-have. I'm glad I got it.